So the idea was to try to model this cap. Let's say this is a backflow preventer, um, and it's like a system that uses the sprinkles. So every fall, what we do is just to blow out the sprinkles. So in that process, one day it was like it was frozen. So what the guy who was doing this process tried to do was to hit the system with a torch, but in that process it ended up damaging the cap. So what we are gonna try to do in this video is to repair this cap basically by 3D modeling. So we're gonna be using a program called Blender. That is a program that is used to 3D model, and then after we create the model, we are going to print that model in a 3D printer. So I'm going to show you how that process goes, and I'm going to show you and I'm going to share with you like the whole process. And I hope that this video is useful. So basically this is for protection of the system and just to make it visually appealing and just make it bright. So as we were saying, this is the cap of backflow preventer that was damaged when they were blowing out the sprinkles with a torch. So what we are trying to do is to um, recreate this model, recreate this cap using a 3D printer. So the next step is just to take the different measures so we can have an idea how we are going to translate those measures into the program. So now we are going to use Blender, that is the program that is used to for 3D modeling. So basically the idea is just to recreate the cap that was damaged. We're going to in the step before we took some measures, so we could replicate that here in the program. So I'm gonna go through this video really fast because, well, the purpose of this how-to video is not to teach you Blender, but you can see like all the steps that I did in order to complete in order to recreate the cap. So if you want to have like more ideas on how to use Blender, you can just click on the links below. There are several videos that can show you how to model this type of objects, and I think that is a really important skill when you are trying to do different projects around at home. So let's do this. So this is the final step of the 3D printing process. We have the cap already printed and is ready to try it in the backflow preventer. So we're gonna see how that goes. So this is the backflow preventer. So we're gonna see if the cap that we created fits the preventer, and well, we're gonna see if it works. So we have here the cap already installed on the backflow preventer, we see that the holes matches perfectly the two holes that it has, that the backflow preventer has. And I think that it looks great. This is the reference of the backflow preventer. And yeah, this is the end of the video. I think that it worked perfectly as I expected, and that's how we solve this problem. You can find the 3D model of this cap in the description of this video. Please like and subscribe so we can continue creating this content.